Fix your back hand, put it on your back glute or take your jacket. It helps to avoid over-rotation in rider's shoulders and hips. Fix your front hand on your front thigh, close to the knee. This exercise makes the same advantages as previous, avoid over-rotation. Fix your head, your chin, near your front shoulder and remain in this head position. Pay attention when make turn from toe edge to heel edge. At the start and the end of your turn, your head and eyes look at the edge of the slope. 360. Put both hands on your thighs. Start from toe edge. This exercise helps to remain full body rotation and keep body weight on both legs. It helps to remain shoulders and hips slightly turned in the direction of travel. It's amazing that where our head is turned, our shoulders are usually turned at the same direction, but hips is more difficult to control.